Is it safe to keep taking finasteride with TRT?
Okay. I'm going to add
you know how many freaking finasteride questions? Is it safe? And is it going to have issues and this and that? And it's like,
can you tell the public what finasteride is, please, Mr. Bosa? Can you please tell them what that is?
Sorry?
Can you tell them what finasteride is, please? Tell the viewers.
What reduces DHT. It can be used for prostate enlargement. It can be used for hair loss. It could be used for a number of things.
The number one use for finasteride Proscar, that's the name here, is hair loss. The number one use is not even whatever. Now, the number one lawsuit drug right now in America is finasteride. Okay, let me explain why. I have hundreds of patients that were taking finasteride that had retrograde ejaculation. They got problems with ejaculation. They have problems with erections. They have all kind of freaking problems. It's a drug that sometimes I have 3 or 4 people that haven't been able to take off because of the amount of side effects they suffer. Finasteride is absolutely a no-no in my practice. I do not let anybody use it. Another thing, finasteride masks, let me say this again, masks prostate cancer. So you can have prostate cancer and you cannot find it in your blood test, okay, because you're taking finasteride. So finasteride is absolutely, do not take it. Don't use it. If you have hair loss, use GHCQ instead of that, but do not freaking do that for hair loss. Now, if you're taking testosterone, you're taking Proscar at the same time because you get inflammation of the prostate, that means I will use zinc, vitamin D, high levels, but do not use finasteride. You're going to have all kind of issues. I'm sure you're having side effects right now, especially erections issues.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, you're lowering, guys, DHT, which is critical for libido and erections to work. So you're lowering it to keep your hair, but meanwhile, you're getting the sides.
I call that.
You really need to evaluate how important your hair is. My hair was starting to thin. Come on, I'm not going to take finasteride.
You know,
okay, my wife's 10 years younger than me. Shit needs to work.
I call that drug the pretty boy syndrome. I look pretty, but I cannot do crap with my head downstairs. You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
Funny. So no way.
Mizumi is the #1 product for acne problems on TRT. Check out the products using the link in the description under this video.